Hello, today I'll do two tasks in R Studio. Firstly, I'll clean missing data using R. This is the first task. This one the first task. And the second, I I will replace data in R. So these two are the tasks. So firstly, let's take a variable named data1. So before taking the variable, let's import the library for importing data from Excel, read.xls. Then data1 is the variable where we will read Excel. We will what we will do, we'll copy copy the address and paste it. And this is the Excel file that we want to store in the data1 variable. Our data is very stored. And if we see view data1, we can see that we have height, weight, marks, and status. And most importantly, we have some missing data. If we look carefully, we can see that we have some missing data. So first task is we have to remove the missing data. To remove the missing data, what thing we can do? Say data2 is for missing data. Uh, we can do it two way. One is directly that na.omit equal to payment.omit. Within that, we will pass data1. If we view data2, we can see that our three in the left right side, we can see that our three missing data are now removed from the row column. This is one thing. And there are some other way we can remove uh, clean the missing data. One of the ways, say data3, it will be data3. In that case, we'll take from data1, and within data1 is.na, not is.na, data1. We will take the variable, we'll take each variables and is.na data1. In that case, we will take weight, and similarly, not is.na will take data1, will take marks and keep comma. So the rows which have NA data within height, weight, and marks will be removed. The status column do not have any missing data. So this is another way we can, if we see, we can remove the missing data. We can write view. We can see that in that case we have 97 data and the missing data are removed. This is another way. So we can see that there are two ways to remove the missing data. One is directly using na.omit, and another one is not is.na, and we can concatenate using and keep comma at the last so that all rows without missing data will be removed. We can use both these two methods. And another today we will go through replace. So for replace, what we can do, what we can do, say this will be data 4 will be restored. We have to replace what we have to replace. We have to replace data1, and in that case is.na, if there is any missing data in data1, it will be replaced with, say, it will be replaced with 0. We can use this, and we can see that if we view data4, we can see that the value which have NA will be replaced with 0. We can replace missing data this way. That is, replace within replace function, we will pass data and is.na data. It will be 0. Then another argument. So the missing data will be replaced with 0 in that case. So this is the way. And the basic replacement, if we say a variable, say 3, 2, 4, 6, 2, these are the data. So we want to replace the data of 2. In that case, what we can do, write the replace function. Within that, we'll pass data A. And within the A, if A equal to 2, we'll replace with 99. Say now CB, our 2 is replaced with 99. So this is the way we can replace. This is the two way we can replace. We can replace missing data, and also we can replace with a specific value to another value. And that's it all about the missing data and the replacement. So Control L to remove it. So we did two things here. One is remove missing data and remove this missing data using na.omit, and or we use not is na, and within that we pass the variables. These are the two way. And for replace data, we use replace command for both for missing data and specific values. We can change for specific values as well. For missing data, we will use a comma, and for comma and we will pass that arguments. And for replacing the value, we will use replacing the values. We will use double equal to sign to compare. So that's it all about today's work. Thank you so much.